Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making garlic lemon sweet potato fries. This is a recipe that I make all the time. It's so delicious and it's so incredibly easy. All you guys need is 5 simple ingredients to make these garlic lemon sweet potato fries. And they're a healthy alternative compared to regular fries that are fried because we're baking these in the oven. So let me show you guys how to make them. And so you guys can leave the skins on or you can peel the skin off. Either works. The skin has a little bit more fiber, so if you're looking for that, you can leave it on. It's nutritious and it's also delicious, but it might upset your stomach sometimes. And so if that's the case, then you want to peel the sweet potatoes. Or if you just have picky eaters like my husband, he really prefers the skin off on these fries, so I'll usually peel them for him. And then next we're gonna need some fresh lemon, and you can use any kind of oil you want for this recipe. You can use coconut oil, or you can use extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, those all work. And then we're using garlic powder, and this is going to ensure we're going to get that garlic lemon flavor in every single fry. And then we're just gonna top these with a little bit of fresh parsley. This part is totally optional, so if you wanna leave that off, totally fine. So the first step is going to be chopping our sweet potatoes, and we wanna cut these into about 1/4 inch thick fries. So I like to cut the ends off the sweet potatoes and then cut the sweet potato in half. Then it makes them a little bit easier to manage. And now you guys can use 1 large sweet potato, you can use 2 large sweet potatoes, you can use whatever you want that'll fit on your sheet pan, and you can just adjust the oil and garlic powder a little bit as needed. You just wanna make sure everything's coated, so this is a super flexible recipe. And we're just looking for strips that look just like this. And now if you guys wanna grab a large mixing bowl, we can go ahead and put all of our fries that we're cutting into the mixing bowl. These sweet potato fries go great with burgers, they're perfect with chicken, you can just use them as an appetizer as well. They're so delicious. Once our sweet potatoes are chopped into fries, we're gonna fill this bowl with cold water. And then we're gonna let it soak for about 10 to 20 minutes or until the water has turned murky. And all that's going to do is remove some of the starches from these sweet potatoes. This is going to allow the fries to crisp up really well in the oven. And now if you guys wanna skip this step, you totally can. I've made this recipe so many times without doing it, but the fries sometimes don't crisp up as well. So totally up to you. So as you can see, as the sweet potatoes soak in the water is beginning to turn murky. So as we have our sweet potatoes soaking here, we're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees. So once the water has turned murky, then it's time to just strain off the water and we're gonna leave the sweet potatoes in this bowl. So next we're gonna add our oil into the sweet potatoes so we can coat them completely. You're gonna need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil per large sweet potato. So just adjust accordingly. All sweet potatoes are a little bit different size, and if you're doing 2, then you're gonna need a little bit more. Next I have 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, and you can use a little bit more if you're using more than 1 sweet potato, so adjust accordingly. And then next we're gonna juice some fresh lemon juice in here. So you're gonna need about the juice of 1 lemon, a little bit more depending if you have larger sweet potatoes. Like I said, this recipe is so flexible, you guys. If you have a little more or a little less, it's really no big deal at all. And so if you guys don't have fresh lemons and you have lemon juice in a bottle, you can totally use that as well. Just use about 1 tablespoon. And so now this is my top trick for getting crispy French fries in the oven. You guys wanna use a roasting rack or like a baking rack on top of your cookie sheet. You're gonna get crispier fries this way because the French fries have better airflow to go underneath this rack, so they're not just gonna be sitting on parchment paper or on a baking sheet. And so if you guys don't have a roasting pan just like this, you can actually create one really easily. You can just put a cookie cooling sheet right on top of your baking sheet, and it's basically the same exact thing. So we're just gonna spread these out onto the rack. So go ahead and space your fries out as best as you can. You don't wanna have them overlapping very much because then they won't crisp up as well. But if you went too big, like me, you may have a little bit of overlap. That's totally fine. And you may have a fry or 2 fall through the cracks. That's totally okay too. You can leave them or you can get them, either way. And so if you guys don't have a baking rack like this and you don't have a cooling rack, you can just bake them on a baking sheet and you can use parchment paper. That's totally fine too. So we're gonna bake these at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then you wanna check them. You can flip some or rotate your tray, especially if your oven has hot spots. That's really gonna help. Then we're gonna bake for another about 10 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown to your liking. So when your fries are almost done, then we're just gonna chop some fresh parsley, and this is totally optional, but I love sprinkling it on top of these sweet potato fries. So as soon as your sweet potato fries come out of the oven, then it's time to salt them. And you guys don't wanna add salt before they bake because salt can draw out moisture, and so this can create soggy fries. So this is why we don't salt them before. You definitely wanna add some salt after. Now these garlic lemon sweet potato fries are ready to serve. And if you guys wanna add a little bit of fresh parsley on top, you can totally do that. Now we have delicious garlic lemon sweet potato fries that are perfect for an appetizer or as a side dish to any meal. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.